Hello everyone, welcome to Vagdevi Tutorials. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. In previous video, we have discussed some important formula of limits and one rule called L'Hospital rule. Today in this video, we will discuss some problems regarding limits. First one we will see, evaluate limit extends to 2, 8 minus 3x plus 12x square if it exists. Solution, given that limit extends to 2, 8 minus 3x plus 12x square. First we have to apply the limits, that is extends to 2. In place of x we have to substitute 2. So 8 minus 3 into 2 plus 12 into 2 whole square. 8 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 12 4s 2 square 4. So 12 into 4. 8 minus 6 plus 12 4s are 48. So total 50. Next second problem. Evaluate limit t tends to minus 3, 6 plus 4t by t square plus 1 if it exists. Solution, given that limit t tends to minus 3, 6 plus 4t by t square plus 1. First we will apply limits. So in place of 3 we have to substitute minus 3. So 6 plus 4 into minus 3 by minus 3 whole square plus 1. So 6 4 into 3 12, as there is minus, so minus 12 by minus 3 whole square 9 plus 1 minus 6 by 10 is equals to minus 3 by 5. In this way we have to solve the problems. First we have to apply the limits. Next we will go to third problem. Evaluate limit extends to minus 5, x square minus 25 by x square plus 2x minus 15 if it exists. Solution, given that limit extends to minus 5, x square minus 25 by x square plus 2x minus 15. First we have to apply the limits. In place of x we have to substitute minus 5. So minus 5 whole square minus 25 by minus 5 whole square plus 2 into minus 5 minus 15. So when we solve, it will get as 0 by 0. So it is undefined. So it is undefined form. Undefined form means we have to use L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? First we have to differentiate numerator and then we have to differentiate denominator. So limit extends to minus 5. Here x square minus 25. We have to first differentiate numerator. So x square means 2x. Constant. Differentiation of constant means 0. Next we have to differentiate the denominator. X square plus 2x minus 15. Differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of x 1, so 2x means 2, differentiation of constant means 0. So next we have to apply the limits. So in place of x we have to substitute minus 5. 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 plus 2 is equals to minus 10 by minus 10 plus 2 is equals to 10 by 8 is equals to 5 by 4. So in this way we can solve this problem. In other way also we can solve this problem without L'Hospital rule, that I have written here. Limit extends to minus 5. Here x square minus 25 is in the form x square minus 5 whole square, means a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So I have written as x minus 5 into x plus 5 by x square plus 2x minus 15. We did factorization, so factors are x minus 3 into x plus 5. So by doing factorization we will get like this, x minus 3 into x plus 5, x plus 5 numerator denominator get cancelled. So finally we will get limit extends to minus 5, x minus 5 by x minus 3. So we have to substitute the limits, means in place of x we have to substitute minus 5. So minus 5 by minus 5 minus 3 is equals to 5 by 4. So by using L'Hospital rule we can solve this problem, or in other way also we can solve this problem. Next we will go to another problem. Evaluate limit extends to 0, x by 3 minus root of x plus 9 if it exists. Solution, limit extends to 0, x by 3 minus root of x plus 9. So when we apply the limits, means x is equals to 0. In place of x we have to substitute 0. 0 by 3 minus root of 0 plus 9. Root 9 means 3. So 3 minus 3 0. So it came as 0 by 0. It is undefined form. So when we got undefined form we have to use L'Hospital rule. So for what is the rule of L'Hospital rule? First we have to differentiate the numerator and then we have to differentiate the denominator and then we have to apply the limits. So First I differentiated the numerator. So differentiation of x means 1, so 1 by, next denominator we have to differentiate, differentiation of constant 0, next root of x plus 9. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, so minus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1. So we have to differentiate x plus 9. So differentiation of x is 1, so I didn't write this. So minus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1, x plus 9. So 1 by, so in place of x we have to substitute 0, so 1 by minus 1 by 2 root of 0 plus 9. So root 9 means 3, minus 1 by 2 by 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 means 6, so answer is minus 6. We can do by using L'Hospital rule also. So but another way is also there to solve this problem. I have written in the right side, you can see that limit extends to 0, x by 3 minus root of x plus 9. Here we did rationalization. So in denominator there is 3 minus, so we have to divide with 3 plus root of x plus 9, multiply and divide with 3 plus root of x plus 9. That is rationalization. We have to do the rationalization. X by 3 minus root of x plus 9 into 3 plus root of x plus 9 by 3 plus root of x plus 9. So x into 3 plus root of x plus 9 by, here what is, it is in the form a minus p into a plus p. What is the formula? A square minus p square. So here a means 3, so 3 whole square means 9, minus here b means root of x plus 9 whole square means root and square get cancelled, so we will get as x plus 9. So in denominator plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled, so in denominator we got as minus 6. After this we applied the limits. By applying limits we will get as minus 6. So we will we can do this problem by using L'Hospital rule, or we can do this by using rationalization. Next we will see next problem. Find limit extends to 0, root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Here I did rationalization. Here limit extends to 0, root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Here I did rationalization. So here in numerator root of 1 plus x minus 1 is there, so we have to multiply and divide with root of 1 minus x plus 1. So in numerator what is in the form a minus p into a plus p. So what is the formula? A square minus p square. Here a means root of 1 plus x and p means 1. So root of 1 plus x whole square minus 1 whole square by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. So root and square get cancelled, then we will get as 1 plus x minus 1 by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1, 1 get cancelled, and x by x into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Numerator x and denominator x get cancelled, then we will apply the limits, then the final answer is 1 by 2. We can also do this problem by using L'Hospital rule also, means, but because we will get as 0 by 0 form, so we can also do this problem by using L'Hospital rule also, but here I did by using rationalization. Here we can also do by using L'Hospital rule also. Next we will go to next problem. Compute limit extends to 0, e power 3 plus x minus e cube by x. So solution, limit extends to 0, e power 3 plus x minus e cube by x. We can write a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So a power m plus n is also written as a power m into a power n. So here 3 power 3 plus x is there, so we can written as e cube into e power x. So e power 3 plus x written as e cube into ex. What is e power x? What is the formula? E power m plus n is equals to a power m into a power n. So here e power 3 plus x is there, so we have written as e cube into e power x minus e cube. So we did the common, so e cube into e power x minus 1 by x. So e cube is constant, we can't do anything with this, so we have written outside the limits. So e cube limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. By seeing this form, we can get one formula like limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equals to 1. So limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, answer is 1. So e cube into 1 is equals to e cube. So that is the formula. Next problem. Compute limit x tends to 1 sine of x minus 1 by x square minus 1. Here denominator is in the form a square minus b square. So we can written as a plus b into a minus b. So I written x minus 1 into x plus 1. So sine of x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. As we know the formula that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equals to 1. But here x tends to 1 is there. So by taking that 1 to left side, we will get as x minus 1 tends to 0. So we did here like that, limit x minus 1 tends to 0, sin x minus 1 by x minus 1 into limit x tends to 1 by x plus 1. So there is a formula for this. So we have separated to both, and we written as limit x tends to x minus 1 tends to 0, sin of x minus 1 by x minus 1 into limit x tends to 1 into 1 by x plus 1. So sin x by x means answer is 1. Here x minus 1 is there, but sine function and denominator is same. So we have to write the coefficient of x which is in the numerator. So what is the coefficient of x minus 1 here? 1. So we will get 1, and we apply the limits for right hand side. Limit x tends to 1 by 1 x plus 1 will get as 1 by 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. So in this way we will solve any problem by using these formulas and L'Hospital rule. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.